Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to manually close your Honda Odyssey door. First, locate the door handle, usually found on the exterior. Ensure there are no obstructions in the door's path, like cargo or people. Then, apply steady, firm pressure to guide the door shut until it latches securely. It's a straightforward process once you know the steps. Before you begin, always prioritize safety. Take a moment to check around the door for any children, pets, or objects that could get in the way. It's crucial to keep your hands and fingers clear of all moving parts to prevent injury. Remember, never try to force a door if it feels like it's resisting closure. To manually close the door, firmly grasp the exterior door handle. With a smooth, controlled motion, pull the door towards the vehicle body. You should feel it glide along its track. Continue pulling until you hear a distinct click, indicating that the latch has engaged securely. Give it a gentle tug to confirm it's fully closed. If your door isn't closing easily, start by inspecting the door latch for any small debris that might be preventing it from engaging. Also, verify that the door track is completely clear of any obstructions. If the problem persists, it's always a good idea to consult your Honda Odyssey owner's manual for specific troubleshooting advice or to seek professional assistance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.